Want to set up auto invest or own stash? Here's how to get it done in a few easy steps. First, open the Stash app and log in. Then go to your account settings or the investing section. Look for Auto Stash or Auto Invest options. Or next, choose how much money you want to invest automatically and how often, weekly or monthly. Setting up automatic deposits helps you stay consistent without having to think about it. Then, pick the stocks or ETFs you want your money to go into. Stash lets you choose your favorite investments or use their recommendations to build a diversified portfolio. Finally, confirm your setup and make sure your linked bank account has enough funds to cover the automatic transfers. Once it's set, Stash will invest the money for you on schedule, buying fractional shares so you can grow your portfolio even with small amounts. Auto investing is a great way to build wealth over time without the stress. If this helped, like and subscribe for more easy investing tips. Got questions? You just drop them below.